Hello guys, today I'm messing with my bike again, and this time I want to replace this noisy crazy muffler with the stock one. The reason, for two reasons basically. One is that this part of this custom muffler always hits the ground when you're turning right. As you can see, it's definitely affecting the clearance level, especially on the right turns, as I said. So what I'm going to do is to remove it and to put it back. And the other reason is because it's too noisy. I don't like it. I'm using some, silencer, special one. It's actually, I don't know where it came from, but I got it somewhere. And this is kind of helping out, but still, there is a lot of noise. So today I will be, despite this rain, I will be replacing this muffler. So let's go. I've just been checking the weather forecast, and the cloud radar doesn't seem to have any clouds over Japan currently. In fact, hopefully it will pass soon. And it's not raining too much, but I don't want my camera to get wet, so let's see how it goes. I'm trying to fix all this thing. This is my little contraption here to hold all this in place. Yeah, let's see how it works. So out of these two bolts holding this pipe in place, one was loose. Can you imagine that? I thought there was this particular noise that escapes from in between the engine head and the manifold here. But I thought that was impossible. But right now I checked and the bolt was pretty loose, and I guess that happens. Wow, I should have been more careful. I could lose that bolt and the whole pipe here. Okay, so let's keep working with the remaining, with this one here, and this one here. It's all rusty, and this is probably the third reason why I want to replace it. This is all rusty and doesn't really look too good. So it took me like 25 to 30 minutes, and everything is great now. The original sound of Honda is much better. I like the stock sound of Honda. What do you think? Leave the comments and hit the subscribe button and the like button. Thank you guys.